Welcome back to another Mail Time episode, one of the last ones, and this time...
This is from Addison. He sent us some good things in the past. He probably talks like he's got a bunch of jelly beans in his mouth. Hello, Waterjet channel. We are pleased you have a slow motion camera. Us Larsons would like the Batmobile to speed down some track and cross under the powerful Waterjet like a vertical finish line. Will the Batmobile survive, or will it be obliterated in glorious slow motion destruction? My prediction: a large gouged front end start flipping and exit the frame. Wife's prediction: entirely cut in two.
And what do we got here? We got some track.
We got some track and a Batmobile.
So we liked the idea of this video so much, we decided to go out and buy some more track. So we can set up a double loop-de-loop, have a launcher, and more cars. So this is what we were able to set up. This loop-de-loop track came with this car, and it appears this is the only car that likes to go on the loop-de-loop. All the other ones just kind of fall off. Batmobile? Nope. So we might have to scrap that one to do all the other ones. But down here, we've got our ramp, and then the water jet nozzle will be right there. And the car will launch through the nozzle and explode probably. That first run, the water jet was right there. You can see in the slow motion that as soon as the car comes off, it hits and it pushes it down before the back wheels are even off the track. So on the second run, we moved the water jet over about an inch. That way the car was completely airborne, but it just did the exact same thing. So now we've removed the loop-de-loop. We're just doing a straight flat track, and then we're gonna have the water jet like right in the middle of the track, probably right there, so the car can't get pushed down really. See if the car can go through, or if it blows it out the side, or what. And before I forget, that's about all the water jet did to the car. That scuff you see in the paint right there, that's from the first one. The second one hit that fender right there, flipped it down, and then it kind of sandblasted the backside, but it didn't explode. Yeah. Oh. So this guy perfectly dodged the water jet somehow. So this one went all the way through, and we gave it a bit of a racing stripe right there. A little curvy though.
To cut it in half, we're gonna go a little slower, not fast. It was
so
too
you're gonna
fast.
like push it through with your finger.
Yep, just
all the way.
Poke it through. When I start feeling it on my fingernail, then I pull back.
He's kidding. We're not doing that. Well, well, that was a little unexpected, and you made fun of his wife for saying it would cut it in half.
I apologize as to Mrs. Larson.
That, the slow-mo, that car looks like it hit a brick wall. Like it just stops, the back like raises up, and it just kind of settles down. And then with the little air compressor help,
something like that,
we were able to push the rest of it through. We cut the axle and we were able to save all the wheels. That was rather unexpected. Myth busted.
Busted.
I don't know what myth, but there was a myth that was busted.